We apologize. We apologize for the late start. We're here at the Royal Lakes Community Center where we have police versus Black Lion. This is certainly another interesting encounter in the St. Catherine Football Association Major League. Thank you very much for joining. You're watching here on MG Sports TV. I am your commentator, Mario Dakers, for the Black Lion starting lineup. We still haven't received the police starting lineup yet. We do apologize for that. The Black Lion starting lineup, we have Raheem Pantry in goal. We have Romeo Berry. We have Marlon Beach. We have the Marley Dawkins. We have Narvin Evans. And we have Quante Level, Travis Bennett, Daniel McKenzie, Rashane Meyer, Tyrone Mullins, and finally Shawayne Barrett. Definitely we look to have a very, very interesting encounter here today for this matchup as the referee looks at his time, get the game going. This should, as I said, should be an interesting encounter. And we're back. Kickstart here by Black Lion. All right, still haven't received the team sheet for the Police FC as yet, but certainly we will get to that as the game proceeds. Here comes Black Lion and the referee. A bit soft there as it goes down in phases. Ball here. Berry stands over it. Whipped across. That's a good delivery. Nice work, referee said. Offside. Move out a bit too early there. So free kick here to Police. Booted out long. Intercepted. Goes forward. That's an interesting work. Level is there. The block inside and goes off for a throw. Beach to level. Nice work here. Build up here from Black Lion as they play from the back. A heavy touch from Bennett. See the ball goes out of play. Taken nicely. Level. Goes inside to find Mackenzie. As he stretches the play, opens up the pitch, trying to use the entirety of the pitch. Nice bit of composed play here from the Black Lions team. Nice bit of work from Mahari over the top, looking for support. Here's Mullins. Mullins goes inside. Nice attempt there. An interesting attack from the Black Lions team. Here comes Police FC. And he's taken out. Free kick to the Police team. Whipped inside, that's a good delivery to the back post. And it goes straight out of play. Here comes Black Lions now in the ascendancy. Looking for support. Nice work there. Taken away. Referee said a bit too aggressive. Mullins. Myrie. Nice pass here. Getting Mullins in behind. Mullins goes inside. Heavy touch from Mullins. They put a bit more pressure on the police team. Here comes Mullins. Booted out by the police defenders. Big switch from Beach. Over the top. Nice piece of pass. Nice work here again from Black Lions. Goes across the goal. And the goalkeeper claims that one nicely. Over the top, straight into the palm of the Black Lions team. Black Lion in possession. Showing a lot of composure and technical ability. Here comes Black Lion again. Mounting the pressure on police. Goes for a long shot. Oh, that's a nice, very, very nice attempt. As the pressure is ramped up on the police team. This is definitely a good look. Very good start from the Black Lions team. Showing their intent as early as possible. Booted out. Here comes Black Lion again. Here comes Black Lions again. Taken down. Referee said it's a clean tackle. Goes off for a throw. Corner taken shot. Look for support. Myrie is there. Looks inside. Very, very smooth with the ball, Myrie is. Whipped across. Straight into the palm of the goalkeeper again. Here comes Police FC now. Trying to go forward. Unfortunately. Didn't do well with that. Mackenzie read that one nicely. Nice work from Bennett there. Switch of play from Mullins. Inside, here comes Bennett. Heavy touch from Bennett. And it's a foul there. Police here now in the ascendancy. Trying to find a bit of momentum. Fortunately, this Black Lion team is playing real well. Nice touch here from Bennett. Good link-up play from Bennett. Coming deep to get on the ball. Here comes Mullins. It's not Mullins actually. It's Mullins. Myrie. Back to Mullins. Mullins with a shot. Save from the goalkeeper. Corner here, taking shot again. Whip across the goal. Nice intent. Very cheeky there from the Black Lion team. Extremely cheeky. Corner again. Short corner again. Another short corner. First touch goes across. Inside again. Chance here. Goes across the goal. Another defensive action from the police team as Black Lions mount the pressure on them. Cross comes in, the long cross this time. Nice work from the police defenders to get that one out. Throw in there. Here comes police. Looking for support. Turns it back. Nice work. Nice bit of work from the police team as they're trying to get a bit of momentum. Sometimes football is a game of phases where you make use of your opportunity. Sometimes it's not always about the consistent pressure or possession. It's about the moments you take control or subside with your opportunity that you're given. Free kick here to the police team. A big opportunity for them as they finally get in the final third. Whip across. Nice delivery. Clearance here from the captain Myrie. And the referee said that should be in the back. Interesting build up here from the game so far. Despite Black Lion have a lot of possession, police is still in it. Black Lion with a lot of attacking moments, but the police team is still in it. Nice bit of play here. Link up. Police push forward. Pass over the top. That was too much on it for the attackers. Just too much on that one. Oh, miss kick there. You can see that the conditions here are affecting the game a bit. A lot of sliding up across the field. Nicely taken down. Nice attempt there as Berry was taken down in his stride as they push forward in the attack. A free kick opportunity here for Black Lions. Can they make something of this? Oh, cheeky move there. That was read nicely. Throw in here to Black Lions. Taken quickly. On top, Myrie. Will he go for a shot? Goes across to find Beach. Beach opens up. And he hits that one. Beach again. Fine Level. Level with a chip. And that's a beautiful pass from Level. No one attacked that one. Some brilliant football here from the Black Lion team. They look to be the dominant team so far. The more composed team also. Pass over the top again from Beach. Taken again. As police find it difficult to come out. Beach give that one easily. Myrie's in support. Level. It's Bennett. Apologies. Myrie's taken out right in front of the referee. Referee definitely deemed that as a foul. Quick pass, quick switch of play. Nice. Oh, beautiful attempt. Police is finding it difficult to come out their own half now. Again, here comes Black Lion. So far the game has all been Black Lions. Nice pass over the top. Looking for support. And it goes out for a goal kick. Very much an interesting encounter, as I said. Black Lion so far has been the dominant team. Goes out of play. Clean up by Evans. That was a cheeky or unfortunate touch by Berry. Lose his foot in there. Wet ball, wet pitch. Sometimes equal chaos. Here comes police now. Finally, attacking with some intent. Beaches and Level is there to clean up that one. Myrie. And a tackle from back. Dawkins. Myrie. Beach is there. And another foul again. As they double team Myrie. Nice pass here. Chance here. And the goalkeeper come nicely. Even though he was appealing for a pullback, that's actually real good work from the goalkeeper, I would say. Long pass over the top. The police defenders are working literally overtime here. Will they get paid for it? We don't know. Or Black Lion's gonna snitch that or snatch that pay away from them for that overtime shift that they're doing in the defense. Thrown here to Black Lions. Quite a physical defensive unit from the police here. Cross comes in. Meach is on the top of the box. A bit of confusion there from the police defenders as they collide with each other. Chance here. Here comes police on the go. Nice attempt. And he getting behind. But Level is there with a lot of composure and using his strength, his physical prowess. A whipper there from Dawkins in around to try and find Mullins. Keeper goes out to defenders. Trying to play from the back, but also bypassing the midfield. Nice take there. Showing some composure is Berry. And that goes straight back to the goalkeeper. Booted out by the goalkeeper. Nice work there from Level again. He has been dominant so far for Black Lions in the defensive third, despite not the most mobile, but certainly always present. Whip inside, it's a beautiful delivery. Defenders there. Oh, unfortunate Bennett couldn't control that one. And there's no foul in that one. Here comes police now, over the top. There seems to be that seems to be the loophole for them. Quite a few times they're going for it. Referee said a foul there on Evans. Here comes Mary, all over the pitch. He's an ever-present type of player. His presence is felt everywhere for each player. Playing as he's a relief valve. Wherever see the pressure has been applied on his team, he's there. Nice flick there from. Oh, he's taken out. I think that flick was from Barrett. Out wide. Free kick here. Bart stands over it, looking to whip this one in. Whip to the back post. Anyone is here straight into the palm of the goalkeeper. Long throw. That's good distribution from the goalkeeper. Trying to attack Black Lions as early as possible to apply some pressure on them. Throw in. Police find it quite difficult on holding on to the ball. Pass here from Mary inside the channel. Unfortunately, it was to no one actually. Booted out. Referee said nothing there. Seems to be a foul throw actually. Past couple of days I've seen quite a few of these. We do apologize for some of the language that's creeping through. It's a tough battle in the midfield. Black Lions seems to be winning the battle though. Police really struggling to get the ball forward. Goes out wide. Here comes Dawkins. He can whip it in. Nice work from Dawkins. Get the ball across. Defender is there. He only finds Beach. Beach looking for the whipper. Goes straight back to Level, who's there for support. Back to Beach. Beach over the top. Straight into the palm of the goalkeeper. Here comes Marino. Time and space with a shot. Straight into the palm of the goalkeeper. That was quite easy for him. Level is there. All is there actually. Police now in the ascendancy. Still searching for something. Still searching for a bit more dominance, unfortunately. Lacking some aspect of the technical ability. Shot from way out. Straight into the palm of Pantry. Black Lions now goes inside Mackenzie. Tackle on Mackenzie. Clearance here from the defender. Beach is here again. Pass inside. It's a beautiful pass to Mullins. Chance here. Black Lions. And Mullins goes over the top. He couldn't find the composure. As the opportunity presents itself, he just couldn't find that extra yard of space. Or maybe that just slowed down the time there to get a proper crack at it. Clearance here from the Black Lions centre back. Here comes Police now. Long throw. And he's taken out. Foul there. Another opportunity for the Police team to get something going. Free kick here to the Police team. Can they make this count, or will they make this count? Goes to the back post. Numbers there. Nicely work there from defenders. Opportunity to look for a shot. Ball goes out of play. Police still in possession now. And that it was a foul throw. Level. Goes across to find Evans. Goes out wide. Goes inside. Nice work there. Given away by Berry. Trying to find Mary. And that has to be a foul. Referee said nothing there. Here comes Beach. Advancing. Dawkins is there. Mullins is there. Beach swings it to the next side. Giving away. And a foul on Bennett. Pushing the back. Foul there. Referee is speaking to Mary about something. Free kick here. Beach stands over it. Barrett is there. Mary is there as well. Can the Black Lion team make this one count? They have been knocking on the door for a good minute now. Just can't seem to find or get an answer. as the police team trying their best to keep them out. Beach stands over it. Will he go at goal? Shot at goal and goes for a corner as there was a slight deflection on it. Free kick, corner here to Black Lions. They have so far, after an hour of play, been a dominant team. Short free kick, short corner here. Goes across. Here's Myrie. Myrie goes right across. Here comes Bennett with a shot, and that was a bit soft. At least he's trying to get an attempt on goal. Here comes Police. Nice bit of work there. Goes out wide and intercepted easily by Myrie. He's doing a lot of work. As I said, ever present. Level. Goes right across. As you know, Black Lions, they tend to build from the back. Dawkins. Dawkins in possession. Given away by Dawkins. Here comes Police. Bennett back in support. Beats in. That's a nice bit of work there. Left Beach. Trying to find something. Not sure what he's looking for. Chance here for Police. As he goes out wide. Open up the play a bit. Recovery in the defensive third from the Black Lions team. Here comes Police now. Whip to the back post. Chance here for the Police team. They finally get to knocking on the Black Lions door. And nice work there from Beach. Intelligent bit of defending there from Beach. Just joining us, we were at the Royal Lakes complex in Lake Spen, Spanish Town. Nice pass here. Good defensive work. This is the St. Catherine FA Major League Match Day 3. You're watching Spanish Town Police versus Black Lions. The game at this present moment is 0-0. So far, it's mostly Black Lion. The team look likely to get something from it. Unfortunately, they have been knocking on the door. No response from the Police team. They have been keeping at the defensive duty. On point. Switch here from Myrie. Big switch. Trying to find Dawkins. Mullins goes to find Mackenzie. Mackenzie, look for support. Find Evans. Evan goes right across. Level is there. Finds Beach. Beach goes for the whipper to the back post. Trying to find Bennett. Police now in ascendancy. Here comes Police trying to take the ball out of the defensive third. Goes inside. Over the top. Trying to get in behind. So far, the ball over the top has been a bit of problem for the Black Lion defense. Maybe it's the route that they need to go more often to get something from this Black Lion defense, who have been really, really solid. Myrie again with another recovery. Barrett didn't do enough there. Cross inside. Over the top. Here comes Mullins doing some defensive duty. Shot from way out. A lot of intent. Booted down back. Just trying to put that's a nice bit of play there. Beautiful first touch from Mackenzie. Can he keep it inside? Unfortunately, the wet conditions make that very much difficult to do so. Early substitution from the Black Lions team as Bennett sees his way out. Travis Bennett. Just 34 minutes of play. Here comes Police now. Ball in play. Black Lion presses. Very, very intense in their press. Organized press as well. Long pass over the top again. This is the direct route for Police. Certainly. Back on our way. Police know the intent to get something from this one. Will they whip to the back post? That's a good delivery. Clearance here from Level. Chance here for Police with a shot. Level is there. Another whip to the back post. Here comes a chance, and the goalkeeper, Pantry, is here to pick that one up. Early delivery there. Police now getting some momentum. Drive through the middle of the park. Giving away. Level is there. Mari picks it up and cleans that one up. And run over there by the Police defender. Free kick to Police. Here comes Myra now. Early pass from Barrett. Heavy touch from Berry. Delay the pass a little bit. Solid defensive performance here from the Police team. Keeping the Black Lion team out. Here comes Black Lion now. Goes across and he's taken down. And he's on a penalty. Referee goes to the pocket. Yellow card. It's not a penalty at the edge of the 18-yard box. That was really, really close. If you want to take him down, that would be the opportune time to do that. Just before he embarks into the box. Free kick to Black Lion in a dangerous position. As I said, they keep on knocking. Knocking. At the door of the Police defense. But the Police defense so far has been a brick wall. And definitely we have shown massive strength to keep the game where it's at right now at this moment. Goes for it. To the back post, and another beautiful opportunity there. A wonderful chance. Seems to be Barrett. Whip that one at the back post. Just a little bit too high. Straight out. Beach is there. Goes inside. Here comes Dawkins. And he's taken down. Also at the edge of the box. Is it a penalty? Referee said at the edge of the box. That was very, very close. Referee give him a stern warning. Free kick opportunity here for the Black Lion team. They're getting a lot of ball in a dangerous area. Free kicks in dangerous area. Marison's over it. Beach is here. Beach with a left foot opportunity. Shot didn't come off as though it wanted to. Corner here to Black Lion team. Keep on knocking on the door. How long will the police be able to withstand this pressure? Here comes Beach. Chip to the back post. Clearance here from the police defenders. Beach is there. Here comes police now. Looking for support. And it's taken out. Here comes the police team. Goes across. And the defenders are there. Here comes Beach again. Pass over the top. Beach does have the opportunity to make those passes easily because he's a two-footed player. Left or right. Natural selection for him. We approach 5 minutes of regular time in this first half. Here comes the police team. Right through. Get across. Here comes police now. Beats one. Goes inside the box and clearance here from Myrie. He's in the attack. He's in the defense. He's doing a lot of work. Corner here for police as they grow into this game. Nicely whipped to the back post. Chance here. And Mackenzie was in the right place at the right time to stop that one and go right out. Here comes Beach. Such a play here. Nice bit of work. It's Barrett. Pass through. Try to find Dawkins. Nice turns. Here comes Mullins. Brilliant player. Really, really technically good. As he goes out wide, find Beach. Beach plays in Barrett. Barrett goes for a cross. And it defender is there. Perfectly timed from the defender. As the Black Lions keep on searching for that opening goal. But time and time again, the police defense denies them consistently. Cross here. Clearance here. Whipped across one time. Oh, brilliant chance. Opportunity there. Referee said goal kick there. As Brown substitute until Brown, who came on for Bennett, Travis Bennett, with a leaping header. Goalkeeper to boot this one down. Straight onto the feet of Berry. Here comes police now. Definitely just trying to get the ball in a dangerous area. Clearance there from the Black Lion defenders, showcasing that they can also defend, not just attack. Foul there. Over the top. Clearance here. A bit of frustration shown by the police defenders because they are unable to hold possession. Giving away. Here comes police. Mary again. Free kick here now to the Black Lions team as they approach the last seconds of regular time. Though there will be much added time because not many stoppages in this game. Straight to level. And that's it. Referee said not adding on anything to this one. Just calling it as it is. It is half time. It's Black Lions 0, Police 0, Spanish Town Police 0 rather. It's been a tightly contested game, battle in the midfield, conditions against a lot, but certainly there's been a very, very good first half. It's half time. The St. Catherine Football Association Major League. Police 0, Black Lions 0. We are at Royal Lakes. You're tuning into MG Sports TV. Back here again. Back here again at the Royal Lake Sports Complex as we look to kick off the second half. And we're off with the second half. Here comes Black Lions again in the attack. Interesting start here for the Black Lions team. Barry stands over this one. Throwing. And that's a foul there. Black Lions on the attack. Start of the second half. Quite an interesting one. Will they finally break through? Or will police be able to get something from this one? Free kick as Morrison's over this one. Mari with the ball in a dangerous position. Whipped it in to the back post. Brilliant attempt. Here comes Black Line Police now. Chance. Ooh, that's a brilliant work. Honest. Oh, my word. As the police team are defending their way through this one. Corner here to Black Lions. Intent here shown by the Black Lions team. Nice work there. Berry goes wide. Barrett is here. Barrett goes inside. Chip to the back post. Clearance from the police team. Shot from way out. Deflected. Here comes Black Lion, Mary, inside the 18-yard box. And he couldn't get off that final bit of action. Restart a player by the police team. Mackenzie. Link up play with Barrett. Trying to get men. Here comes the police team. Trying to go wide, unfortunately. They couldn't. Big switch. Intercepted easily. And that's a foul. Niggling foul here from Mackenzie. Whipped inside and he's taken down, and that's a foul. Easy decision for the referee. Here comes Black Lion now. Given away by Berry. Ball is not out, and it finally goes out of play. Goes in favor of Black Lions. Barrett. Berry. Chip inside. Given away there again by Berry. Here comes police. And that was easily recovered from the Black Lions team. Long pass inside. Here comes Mary. Support is there. Barrett is in support. Nice back heel there to Barrett. Barrett drives towards goal. Looking for support. Taken away easily. Here comes police. Tackle here from the oncoming player Barrett. That's good. So that's some good recovery play there from Barrett. Here comes Black Lion again. Brown goes out wide. Here comes Barrett. Goes inside again. Berry in possession. Barrett. Mary. Back to Barrett. Dominance here shown by the Black Lions team. Clearance from the police team there. Here comes throw in there from Berry. And the referee said that's a foul. Free kick here to the police team. Second half starts quite similar to the first half. For just joining us, ready, Royal Lakes Sports Complex, Lake Spence, Spanish Town. Live broadcast brought to you by MG Sports TV. It's Police versus Black Lion St. Catherine Football Association Major League competition. Substitution here from the police team. Free kick here to police. Boot this one down the line. Here comes police now. An opportunity to get in behind the Black Lions defense. Clearance here from Evans. Straight to Barrett. Nice change of play there. And good defensive work there again from the police team. As they try their best, are consistently keeping their best to keep the Black Lions team out of their defense. Are trying to stop them from getting behind their defense. I do believe that in the transition that they can certainly do a little bit more. Nice bit of work there from Mackenzie. Berry goes out. Boot that one out of play. Here comes Mullins as he tucks back. And Mullins, that has to be a card. And it's a yellow card there. Force of pressure from the supporters. Free kick to the Black Lions team as the pressure is mounted on the police team. Time and time again, Black Lions cheekily getting behind. Very unfortunate that they just can't get any joy. Just lacking that final finesse of pass. They're still trying though. Free kick to the Black Lions team. Bar stands over it. And it's actually a year. Free kick here to the Black Lions team. Still searching for that moment of brilliance. Cross inside. Myrie with a shot. And it's a beautiful shot taken. Nice work from Myrie. He has been extremely busy. And he has finally found the deadlock. Beautiful delivery there. Ball plays out on top. Myrie latch onto it and pass the ball straight to the back post. Goalkeeper react a little bit slow there. I do believe he'll be upset with himself there. Slow on the reaction. But that was a brilliant finish from Myrie. Beautifully taken. Leeds now has to search for something. Not sure if they're the defensive aspect of their game now. They can rely on it because they need to find a goal. Going a goal behind now is not the aspect of the game that they would want to be. They want to keep the game as close as possible, as long as possible, and then maybe try and nick something. Unfortunately, that game plan is out the door now. Here comes Black Lions again. Brown hold on to that one a bit too long there. Here comes Black Lion. Police intercepted in transition. Trying to get him behind. And that's a foul there by Evans. Free kick to the police team in a dangerous position. Quick equalizer. Is that on the card? That's the question being asked by the police coaching staff. Free kick in a very, very dangerous position. At times you'd have to say that the police team maybe does not commit enough numbers going forward. And it'd be very difficult for them to get a goal They don't necessarily have the numbers. But definitely an opportunity here to apply some pressure. Free kick here. Police know the opportunity. Goes that goal. It's a good chance. Good kick there. But lack power. Precision was there, but power was lacking. And early press from Barrett. Here comes police again with another throw in. Since going down, police is now asking questions. And that's a foul throw. What was that? Black line now with the throw. Switch up play. Booted down the line. Here comes police now. Level is there. Throw into the police team. And that's another foul throw. Here comes Black Lion now. Pantry. Boots that one long down the line. Nice first touch. And that's a foul. Seems to be just like he was anticipating that contact. Black Lion finally break the defense. The police team was been so solid from minute one in this game. Free kick to the police team. Just over the O mark. Lob inside. That's a wonderful free kick. Chance here for the police team with a shot. That's straight into the palm of Pantry. Now was the first opportunity and first shot on target for the police team. Evans is down. As the medical team just checking him out to see if everything is okay. Gets up back on his feet. He walks away. As we said, to restart play. Nice defensive work there from Black Lions player. Black Lion look to make a substitution. And it's Barrett who's coming off. Bart leaves the pitch. On come Facey. Raheem Facey. To make an impact. Here comes Police with a shot. One-time shot. And he's taken note. And it's a corner. Players down. Currently getting some treatment. The time dwindles down. I do believe that the police team would definitely want to get something out of it. Unfortunately, this Black Lion team has been very, very good defensively. And very potent in the attack. Corner here to the police team. Whipped inside to the back post. Actually a good delivery. Very, very good delivery. Here comes Black Lion now. Pass early inside. Here comes Black Lions on the counter. And it's Facey. Ryan Facey. Show of pace. And it's taken down as it goes past 2. Goes past 3. And it's taken down. Fresh leg. Ryan Facey looking to make an impact in this one with a powerful run straight down the heart of the Police United defense. Spanish Town Police FC's defense. Free kick to the Black Lions team. Whipped inside to the back post. And that's a good attempt there. And it's level. Oh, nice work there. And the referee said that's a foul. Saved by the bell there. Because Black Lion was definitely on to double their lead. Booted out long. Here comes Police now, still trying to get something from this game. They haven't been impressive so far in this game. Here comes Black Lion again. Pass inside. This Mari. 1v1. Goalkeeper comes and boot that one down. Good goalkeeping there. He was quick off his line. Pantry goes and take that one. And the player's down. And it's Evans who's back on the floor again. This is actually his second time going down. Is this something that the Black Lions technical staff should be worried about? It's gone down quite a few times now. Referee restarts play with a drop ball. Keeper boots that one down. That's poor work there from the midfielder as he boots that one actually in for a corner to Black Lions. Actually had on a bit of pressure from his team. Corner here. Black Lions taken short. That's their regular routine. And not played out as they would want it to. Police now trying to push forward as they win a throw. Another substitution here by Black Lions. And Dawkins is the one who leaves the pitch. Here comes Black Lion again. That's two bad challenges. Into the box is Mackenzie. At the edge of the 18-yard box as well, and in a dangerous position. Free kick here to police team. Will he go at goal? As he whip this one in. That's a good delivery. To the back post. Chance here. Clearance here. It is the man himself, Myrie. Boot that one out. Will one goal get the job done for Black Lions? That one booted outside into someone's backyard. Can a goal, single goal, get Black Lions 3 points? It was very, very difficult to get in behind the defense of the Spanish police team, and they have done so. But as the game prolongs, chance will fall at feet. I'm not sure if they wanted to fall at a police team, police strikers' feet, or any one of the players in that manner. Referee calling the player sternly. Mullins receiving a stern warning from the official. Throw in there. Nice pass. Berry goes to the byline. Wonderful left foot. Whip it to the back post. And no one is there to pick up a shot on goal there. Unfortunately, had no venom on it, and also no target. Ball booted out. And taken down and refereed. So that in the favor of the police team. 2 players here with an unusual interaction. It's a free kick to the police team. I apologize for some of the language that's coming through at this moment. I don't know, I'm not sure why they're so upset about, but as it stands, the medical team comes across to render some assistance to the player who's on the ground, because as it stands at this present moment, something seems to be wrong. And not sure what's going on there, but it's the players down and their other teammates looking to be saying substitution. I'm not really sure what happened, but unfortunately it doesn't look good at this moment. It really doesn't look good at this moment. Berry gets up and flashes off. Referee is going to check, take his necessary checks. Substitution here. Berry seems to be one coming off. He's disappointed because he didn't want to come off actually. Substitution here. Substitution here as it's a good delivery. Taken. Here comes police now. Looking for support. Goes out wide. Whip inside, that's actually a good delivery, a very good delivery. Jump high there, and it goes off for a corner. Police opportunity now, police time to knock on the door. Approaching the 88th minute of this game. Here comes police. Whipped inside. Clearance here by the Black Lions team. Here comes Black Lions. Driving forward. Intercepted there. And he goes for a throw-in. Black Lions still in ascendancy. Just joining us, we're at the 88th minute of this game, this encounter in the St. Catherine Football Association Major League competition. We're at Royal Lakes Sports Complex in Lake Spence, Spanish Town. It's Spanish Town Police FC 0 versus Black Lions 1. Watching live broadcast by MG Sports TV. Goal scored in the 68th minute. Beautiful finish from Rashane Myrie. So far, that is the goal that separates these two teams. Whipped inside. Clearance there by The police defenders, they have been really good so far in this game. Shot there from way out. And it goes behind goal. Here comes giving away easily. I'm not sure that's what he wanted to do. And turnover there. Here comes police now. Pushing down. Ball giving away again. A lot of turnover in the middle of the park. Throw it here to the Black Lions team. Throw in. This is now a good opportunity, a good time to start manage the game on Black Lions aspect. Or they want to go for that second one to finish off the game. Interesting to see the direction how this game would pan out to be. Here comes police now. Nice solo play there. Throw into the police team as they push forward. This is the first I've seen them pushing so much numbers forward. Here comes police with a shot from way out. Ball over the top. Here comes Black Lion. A chance here. 1v1. 3 players and he's taken down. And it has to be a red card. He was the last man. Yellow card. The referee gives the yellow card. He was the last man. Referee said the yellow. And it's Mullins. Free kick to Black Lions in a dangerous position. Fans are extremely disappointed. You can hear it. As he went on 1v1 with the goalkeeper, defender, just picked his pocket from behind. Goes down. Referee issued a yellow card. Free kick now to Black Lions. Mary's there. Mullins sounds every Mullins is a shot. And it goes straight over the goal. I was very surprising though that I was only issued as a yellow card. Goal kick here to the police team. Trying to play it from the back. Over the top. One thing for sure so far in this game. Over the top. Here comes the police team as they apply some pressure on the Black Lions team. Beach. Give that one away. Clearance there. Nice work there from Evans again. He has to actually have a very, very good game this time. Certainly brilliant performance from him. Clearance there from Myrie. Was been busy this game from minute 1. Also the goal scorer. Definitely at this present moment, man of the match. Nice work there. Here comes Black Lions again. Nice work there. It's Harris. Goes inside. Nice bit of work. Goes across there and it goes out for goal kick. Corner here. Beach to take this one. two-footed player. He's now in the left back position. Started at right back, now in the left back position. Whipped in with the right foot. That's a good delivery. Goalkeeper claims that one. Here comes a nice work from the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper restarts to play fast. Here comes police now. Over the top. And it goes out of play. Black Lions now in possession again. Taking their time. No need to rush. And foul there. As the police plays down, he's in some level of pain, it seems. You could hear that cry from way out here. Restart here. Police now in possession. Chip to the back post. Level is there as well. All is there. Mullins goes out wide. Here comes Black Lion. Pass around. And his Mullins is through. And straight into the palm of the goalkeepers. Goalkeeper restart fast. Beach. First touch. Nice touch from Beach. Nice work there from Beach. Goes inside. Find Mary. Support there from Mary. Captain taking this thing out of the game. Black Lion now in possession. Just 3 minutes of regular time left. Ah, that's a beautiful bit of play there between Beach and Mackenzie. And Mackenzie is through. He's in. And he goes for a cross. And, oh my word. Harris could not find that final pass. Nice bit of play here. Here comes police. With a big opportunity. Goes across in the ascendancy. Police now with a counter attack. Can they find something? Chip to the back post. Unfortunately, he finds a player. Goes across again. And clearance there from the Black Lions team. Here comes Black Lions. Black Lions now. It's Facey. Goes across to find Mullins. Mullins is time and space. To the back post. Trying to go across. Mackenzie on top. Mary's there. Beach. Goes for a chip. Oh, whip to the back post, unfortunately. Goes out for a corner. It was literally 4v2 in some sense. Black Lion did not capitalize on that one. As the night draw near. Players down. Referee having a look. Medical team should be coming across in a short while. We approach the final seconds of this game. First half, there were no minute added on. Will there be any in this half? Corner, whipped in. Not the best of corner there. Couldn't beat the first man. Here comes police now. Still time to get that equalizer. Whipped inside. Now here comes police now. With opportunity. In the final moments. With a shot. Straight to the goalkeeper. And the goalkeeper punches, crumbles and take that one up. Referee had 3 minutes to this half. Level is down. Maybe it's some aspect of game management here. Back up. Goalkeeper to restart the play. Actually, poor distribution from the goalkeeper. Technically saved by the referee. Referee returning the ball to the goalkeeper. Drop ball. I think that should have been restarted at the point where it stopped. Here comes Black Lion now. Level. Over the top. Black Lion now in possession. Nice pass. Here comes Black Lion in behind. Beach is at the back post. Beach is at the back post. Will he get a shot? And it's over the bar. He has to be disappointed with himself for that one. As it goes down. Clutching onto his face. A big opportunity. Brilliant opportunity for Beach to get his account going. Unfortunately, he couldn't. Here comes Black Lion again. As the time winds down on the clock. Police FC in possession. Booting the ball down. Thrown here to the Black Lions team. Seconds on the clock. Very important for them to manage these seconds if they want to get something from the game. Players down. Play restart. Here comes police. 3 minutes have passed. Seconds left in this one. Police still in attack. And that was wasteful there. Giving away to Black Lion. Oh, here. Nice work there. Black Lions again. In behind. He's taken down. And referee said nothing that one. Police. And ball goes out. Believe that this might be the last moments of the game. As the referee looks at his watch. Throw that one in. Boot it down. Police boot that one down. Hopeful. Chance here. And this is very serious moments for the Black Lion team. 1 minute extra would have gone over time. Here comes police. Cross to the back post. Clearance here. Booted out. And referee said that is it. And it's Black Lion securing that 3 points for this one in this game. Goal in the 68th minute from Rashane Myrie would have secured these 3 points for Black Lion. Hard fought 3 points. The Black Lion, the police defense was solid throughout this game. Black Lions just was able to nick 1 goal from this desired game. So it is full time here at the St. Catherine Football Major League, St. Catherine Football Association Major League matchup. Police FC, the Spanish Town Police FC 0, Black Lions 1. You're watching live broadcast here by MG Sports TV. I'm your commentator Murray Dakers. Stay tuned for the interviews from the man of the match, Rashane Myrie, and also head coach Wolver Wolf. Just stay tuned.